In our second story, Taylor Swift just got engaged. But here's the plot twist: Wall Street is celebrating too. From jewelers to fashion to even pizza apps, Swift's engagement to NFL star Travis Kelce has already shifted markets. Yes, love now has a stock ticker. How beautiful. The announcement came Tuesday afternoon, a joint social media post showing a cushion cut diamond ring and Ralph Lauren fits. Within minutes, the Swift effect went from Instagram likes to real market spikes. Signet Jewelers, one of the only big jewelry chains on the exchange, surged, wait a minute, more than 6% on Wednesday, on top of a 3% jump the day before. The question is, why? Well, fans were decoding every pixel of Swift's ring photo. Jewelers confirmed it was a cushion cut diamond, and Signet became the accidental winner. Ralph Lauren, spotted on both Swift and Kelce, climbed another 0.5% Wednesday after a 2% gain Tuesday. Analysts said Swift's brand association was mission success for a company that sells not just clothes but dreams. And then came American Eagle. Shares skyrocketed 8% after it announced a collaboration with Kelsey's True Colors brand. Timing that couldn't have been better. I'm fumbling with all these figures. I apologize. The ripple effects spread fast. Domino's and Grubhub blasted Swift themed promos to millions of app users. Soda maker Poppi joined in with Instagram posts echoing her caption. Even prediction markets lit up. Kalshi's contrast on whether Swift and Kelce would marry by year end 2025 spiked instantly after the post. This isn't just fandom, it's finance. Swift's impact on the economy is already documented and very palpable. Her Eras tour was valued at over $5 billion in consumer spending, enough to catch the attention of both Wall Street and the Federal Reserve. Airlines, hotels, restaurants all saw surges tied to her concerts. Now, her personal life is moving public markets. Let's actually step back for a second and think about this, the world we live in. A celebrity engagement can create shareholder value in real time. And it's not just about parasocial behavior, it's about trust, scale, and attention. Swift has built a fan base that doesn't just watch, it transacts. For brands, this is the ultimate case study. The Swift effect is proof that in today's attention economy, cultural capital is financial capital. When Taylor Swift says yes, Wall Street doesn't just cheer, it bets. A love story, a diamond ring, and a stock market rally. This isn't just celebrity gossip anymore, mind you, it's market moving news. And in a twist of its own, even Donald Trump, who once mocked Swift as no longer hot, is now calling her a terrific person after the engagement, the latest in his long list of flip flops. You never